Alright, so back on Mavis, still on Mavis actually. This is the this is what I call the alternate version. You know what I'm saying? It's basically the same colors, but on a white polo, same type of material, but we don't need any blocker or any other underbase. We're just gonna put three top colors on a white shirt. So on here, we're actually gonna add a black plate to it, and let me show you let me show you how we rearrange these screens real quick. Here you go. Alright. So our yellow goes first. First. Stay with this side. Good. Go unravel. See how it's easier, right? These squeegee heights all the way back up. And I can put the squeegee heights back all the way back up because I can flash in between each color. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to run these wet. Squeegee heights all the way up. I'm gonna start off with no angle. I'm gonna pump this up to 60 psi actually. Put a little more pressure on here. Let me clean the back of this plate here. So this is the screen the same side from the run for the black shirts. So the ink from the two screens in front of it, the yellow and the white, is still on the back of this screen. So you're going to want to clean the back of this screen before you print it. Otherwise, when you print it, you'll see a little white, yellow haze on your test print. White and yellow haze. go. Squeegee height all the way up. 60 psi. Let's go to 60. Let's go to 60 psi. Same thing with the black. Squeegee heights all the way up. 60. Okay. White shirt, printing on white. White shirt finish. Nice. Very nice. Wow. That's on there. Clean up the text on the black a little bit, but damn, on first go. Should take care of that little bit of smearing we don't want. Still a good one. Screw it. I want that. Nice strap. Ziploc. Clean right there, Mike. Probably go left on the 321 a little bit, not too much. Pretty good. And for these white ones, because there's no underbase or anything, that's why I use a little bit more pressure. Okay, I went 60 psi all the way around and put my squeegee height all the way up. Still nice slower stroke. I would use a little like a little faster on the black, because black prints still prints well at a higher speed. But other than that, man, we're good to go. We're gonna get approval and we're going.